Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mission Not So Impossible. This week I'm bringing you some Dollar General deals for Saturday, November 1st. You can do most of these deals any day of the week. You're just going to save the most money on Saturday with the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. So let's go ahead and get into the deals. So for this first deal, we're going to be picking up 3 of the Colgate Total toothpastes. They are $4 each, so 3 of them would be $12. We have a $7 coupon, making it $5. Next, you want to pick up 2 of the men's Axe body wash. They are $5.50 each. 2 of them would be $11. We have a $5 off coupon, making it $6. Next, you want to pick up 1 of the Palmolive dish soaps for $2.75. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $1.75. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $25.75 plus tax. Then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon, as well as $13 in manufacturer coupons coming off, making our total $7.75 plus tax for all 6 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Febreze Small Space. They are $3.50 each, so 2 of them would be $7. We have a $3.50 coupon, making it $3.50. Next, you want to pick up 1 of the Arm & Hammer laundry pods for $4.25. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $2.25. Next, you want to pick up 1 of the Sparkle paper towels for $8.25. We have a $2.30 coupon, making it $5.95. Next, you want to pick up 1 of the Angel Soft toilet paper, the 8 count, for $6.35. We have a $1.40 coupon, making it $4.95. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $25.85 plus tax. So then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $9.20 in manufacturer coupons, making our total $11.65 plus tax for all 5 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up 1 of the Dawn Power Wash sprays for $5. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $3. Next, you want to pick up 1 of the Palmolive dish soaps for $2.75. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $1.75. Next, you want to pick up 2 of the Airwick oil refills. They are $6.25 each. 2 of them would be $12.50. We have a buy one, get one free coupon, so that's going to take $6.25 off, leaving you to pay $6.25. Next, we're going to pick up 1 of the Puffs tissues. They're on sale this week for $5.95. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $4.95. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $26.20 plus tax. So then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $10.25 in manufactured coupons, making our total $10.95 plus tax for all 5 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Kotex that are $5.75 each. 2 of them would be $11.50. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $8.50. Next, you want to pick up 1 of the Nivea lotions for $5.75. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $3.75. Next, you want to pick up 1 of the Venus razors for $9. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $6. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $26.25 plus tax. So then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $8 in manufactured coupons, making our total $13.25 plus tax for all 4 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Love's diapers. They are 2 for $15. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $12. So for this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Always liners. They are normally priced at $5.50 each, but when you buy 2, they're going to be $10. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $7. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $25 plus tax. So then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $6 in manufactured coupons, making our total $14 plus tax for all 4 items. So for this next deal, you're going to want to do this on Saturday. So Dollar General is having a sale this week on select items. On Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, some of these items are going to be marked down. So I'm going to be picking up 1 of the Glad trash bags. They're on sale for $8. They're normally $9.75. There's no additional coupons, but you are saving $1.75 on this item. So for this next deal, you want to pick up 3 of the Colgate toothpaste that are $3.25 each. 3 of them would be $9.75. We have a $7 off coupon, making it $2.75. And my store only had 1 of these, so I did grab 2 others just for the video, but you want to make sure you're picking up the correct one. So for this next deal, you want to pick up 4 bags of the Lay's potato chips. They are on sale for $2.25 each. You do have to buy 4 to get the deal, so it's going to be $9 for all 4 bags. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $26.75 plus tax. So then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $7 in manufactured coupons, making our total $14.75 plus tax for all 9 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up one of the all free and clear laundry detergents for $12. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $9. Next, you want to pick up one of the Persil laundry soaps for $5.50. We have a $1.50 coupon, making it $4. So if you didn't use that store coupon from last week for the spend 15, save $3 on select laundry care items, these items will qualify and we are over $15, so that $3 should come off. If you already used it, your total is going to be $3 higher, but that's okay. This is still a pretty good deal. Now I'm going to go ahead and build up my transaction a little bit more so we can use it on Saturday with the 5 off of 25 as well. Next, I'm going to pick up 2 of the Febreze Air Mists. They are $3.50 each, so 2 of them would be $7. We have a $3.50 coupon, making it $3.50. Next, I'm going to pick up one of the Glade oil refills for $6. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $4. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $30.50 plus tax. So then we have that $3 coming off for the spend 15 on laundry care items. So our total is $27.50. So we still qualify for the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. And then we have $10 in manufactured coupons coming off, making our total $12.50 plus tax for all 5 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up one of the Lay's individually packed chips for $10.45. We have a $2.45 coupon, making it $8. So for this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nail Gummies. They are $6.85 each, so 2 of them would be $13.70. We have a $5 off coupon, making it $8.70. And my store only had one, so I could only pick up one in the video, but you do need to grab 2. Next, you want to pick up 2 of the All-American greeting cards that are priced $1 each. 2 of them would be $2. We have a buy one, get one free store coupon, so that's going to take $1 off, making it $1 for both cards. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $26.15 plus tax. So then we have that $1 store coupon coming off for the greeting cards, making our total $25.15. So we still qualify for the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. And then we have $7.45 in manufactured coupons coming off, making our total $12.70 plus tax for all 5 items. Alright, so that's all that I have for you this week. Hopefully you can kind of take a look at these deals, mix and match, and build a deal that works best for you. Make sure you're scanning all the items you're picking up with your app to make sure they're attaching to the correct coupons so you can avoid any surprises at the register. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos I have coming out in the future. If you want to leave me a comment down below of what you're planning to get this week, that is so helpful for me for future videos. I hope you guys have a safe and happy Halloween, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!